I've been taking collagen poppy. I've never had this flavor. That pretty much concludes my morning routine. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 5:11 a.m. I have absolutely no time to waste. Let's make my bed. Let's get ready for clinical. I have to leave at 5:50, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to get ready. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what your morning routine is for clinical in the comments. So the first thing I do when I wake up after turning off my alarms is making my bed. I just love to come home to a made bed, looking nice and neat. I have so many pillows, I don't know why, but just stacking everything together and making it look put together is the goal. And then after that, I love to stretch. Literally, like a couple months ago, I was trying to touch my toes and it literally was like painful to me, which is crazy because I've always been super flexible. So I've really been implementing stretching into my daily morning routine just to get my legs and all the blood circulating throughout my entire body. And I feel so much lighter when I'm walking around throughout patient rooms in the hospital and just feel super nice and refreshed. And then I stay in this child's pose, kind of like mentally prepare myself to start the day. I'm not going to talk about the situation we got going on here, but I'm going to take that off, take this off, and I'm gonna start the shower, do some face wash. I just got out of the shower, I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum all over my face. I've literally just been using Vaseline, taking a little bit as moisturizer. As for makeup, I don't do any of that. No. For clinical, because I don't know, I feel like I just get oily throughout the day and I don't want to deal with that, and then putting on a mask, taking my makeup off on the mask, and yeah, I just don't really feel it. But I will try to make sure that my hair looks decent. So we're gonna put this in a little low puff, a little spray bottle. But yeah, I have 7 more capstone shifts. 1 today, 1 tomorrow, 1 the day after. And then I work on Monday, and then I have 3 more next week. 3 in a row, and then 1 the week after. And then I'm done. So it's exciting because there's only 3 weeks left of the semester, which is crazy. It's flying by. We really just have like online practice assessments to help us study for the NCLEX. So really just prioritizing, trying to do that and make sure that I give it my all, because this is all practice for the NCLEX. But yeah, and then I'll use like some gel, just a little bit of water because it's really cold outside. And I'm not trying to get sick or anything. I'm still trying to make sure we're a little slick. And using 2 hair ties really helps because my hair fights with me. So if I get one section in a little bun, then it's much easier to get the top part slipped down and then into the little puff. And that's what we got going on. Looking bald in the front, but nothing's wrong with that. Okay, so now time to put on some scrubs. I'm gonna put on my badge, and then something that I've been doing is wearing like really fuzzy socks because I don't have a lot of compression on my shoes, or not of like foam. I don't have enough like foam, I guess, on my sneakers. So I wear these and then wear my tennis shoes, and it keeps my feet nice and comfy throughout the 12-hour shift. I know some people do compression socks. I wish I had those, but I don't. Stethoscope, we're gonna put that in the side pocket. I also keep hand lotion and Vaseline in my side pocket because my hands get super dry. And then last thing is the watch. Everything the night before. I pack the paperwork I need, a book, for like lunch if I want to, journal, or my planner. This is probably insane, but it's 30 degrees outside, so I'm low-key gonna wear my heavy coat. But yeah, let's go make some breakfast and head out. I forgot, I've been taking collagen for the last week. Helps with hair, skin, and nails. It's like, I'm supposed to take 3 twice a day. I've only been doing 3 once a day, and then getting like collagen from my food. I eat a lot of eggs. And like, I know bone broth is really good with collagen, but eggs, some citrus fruits, just to like make my nails get nice and strong because they thin out kind of quick. And then also skin, hair. I'm on the natural grind, but yeah.
So today I'm scrambling up 2 eggs. I'm just gonna crack them right onto the pan and season them. It's a super quick and easy breakfast to make. Boiled eggs I'll often do, or oatmeal, but eggs are usually my go-to.
I'm waiting for the stove to heat up to make these eggs. I'm going to literally just eat this banana so quick and fill out my water bottle. Pack lunch the night before. I'll insert a picture of what I have, but I also packed some grapes and an apple, and then poppy. I've never had this flavor. Hopefully it's good because I have the tall can, because I didn't have the small can where I was, but I'm gonna try and see. That pretty much concludes my morning routine. Thank you for watching, and see you later.